Okay, I tried to pause the video for not using the last second for not going for the next video. Unfortunately, even if I pause the video, still that I cannot record the video more than 10 minutes. It's gonna take even the pause time as a spending the time. There is no point to pause the video anymore. Okay, this is one of my question we have to ask, and it's from Kevin. I don't know, but I just realized how to solve the problem. Okay, guys, I don't know why if we just only use the setup function here, okay, we're not gonna see our context. We have to at least have a map class for even if it's empty. Even if it's empty, it doesn't matter. We have to have a map class to see the output from the setup, whatever we write in the context from setup. As I explained to many of my friends, the context of the mapper, where the map writing his information into the context is on the data node. That is the is but the combiner is writing. A combiner is writing to the context as well, but there is still context in the node data node. But as long as it goes to the reducer, because the output of the reducer is going to be is going to send show it to the client as who's sending the job. That is a network, is a context, is the sharing on the network. Is better to combine your information, make it most of the process on your local. That means make the most of the process on the mapper and a combiner, because these two class only running on the data node. It's better to just as much as you can try to fix everything in the combiner and try to just get the summary of the information what you need, and after you finish your job at the reducer, because it's gonna bring down lots of traffic from the network, and it's gonna is much better. I hope I explain in the right way. As you can see, our output now, we didn't do anything. We just uncomment only the empty. Here we just have only empty the map function. As you can see, that shows we have information from the main, because in the next step, hopefully, if I have time, I'm going to do it tonight and just post the video. But in the next step, instead of reading this file, we have to open the file from HDFS files from our, like a beer text. Open that file and read that word. Actually, I think assignment is going to be the same as well. Read that word and filter our output by this word. But now we assume we already get this information from the HDFS file. From here, we're going to write our program, filter our program, and after we're going to just go for the opening the file. Anyway, I'm just coming back. I'm not happy to writing in okay, let me tell you here, because I need this information I'm getting from the configuration. I need to use it to the different function, I mean map. That's why I need to define this function, define this array of the string outside inside the class, but outside the setup function, to have the access in the map class. That's why I just write this information in the context. Just make sure already I have this information, because tracing of the program of the header is difficult because it's not running on your machine. That's why you have to just write it out in the context and see what is happening in the context, and you're just kind of tracing your program. But I'm telling you, one of the things maybe you've not been told, as long as we're not using the reducer, whatever we see from the output, I'm talking about this one, is all about is the map. As long as you run the combiner, even you don't write anything in the combiner, you can't see this information in the output. And every time, because even the combiner it shows the output of the combiner. If you don't write anything in the output, in the context of the combiner, you will not see anything. If you don't write anything in the output of the reducer, but you write something on the output of the mapper, output of the combiner, but if you don't write the function on the reducer, is going to show you the empty context from the output of the reducer. That's why this is kind of starting from the map function and go after for the reducer. You can see the output is it's making more sense to understand what's happening here. Okay, I'm gonna just wait. I'm just talking so much. Sorry about that. This is the okay. What I'm gonna do. I think I explained to you already about getting this information to write it. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna say I have a found boolean found. Okay, I'm here. I'm just saying that if not found, because here I'll still keep the comment, this couple of lines here, but I'm saying that because here is the found is false. That's why I'm saying that if not false, that means always is true, is right in the context. Okay, and write all the word with the value of the one in the context. I'm not adding yet. I'm not uncommenting yet. That's part of the code that is going to filter some word. Let's see what is happening for the output. Okay, that's let me during the is compiling and send the task to the Hadoop. Just talk about a little bit more. As I told you, Hadoop reading for the setup still hasn't opened. The Hadoop hasn't opened the file yet on the HDFS, the beer text. I'm talking about the input file. But in the setup, after the setup, Hadoop is going to open the file beer text as an input file and read the first line and send it to the map. Read the second line, send it to the map. That means for each line, map is going to be run. Okay, as you can see, maybe I didn't save it. You see, it's still writing this information, but I'm not expecting. No, I'm not expecting that. Okay, let's. I save it and run it again. It's Hadoop read the line of file. First line. Okay, one error. What happening here? Delete this with Java error reach out of the file while parsing. What is the reach end of? Oh my god! Here I just didn't uncomment. Didn't uncomment for the while. I'm sorry. Just why I'm saying sorry. I'm not sorry really. I'm not feeling sorry. But is it? Because I put, okay, one of the things, maybe you face this problem because who is calling me? Who is calling? Where's my phone? Somebody's calling me. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, just this is happening, maybe happening to do. You cannot do anything here because you put the Control S. Sometimes you, by mistake, you made the Control. I'm gonna just close this one, and I just my time is finishing again. I just okay, and open it. I think it's gonna be 9 minutes and 9 seconds. Okay, and okay, so I'm gonna finish this video and come back soon again. Let me go to the end here. Labs and CD week. No, BD7. This is my directory and the computer and the lab. CD week 7 and just CD week 3, and I'm gonna run. For the next video you will see the output, and hopefully not anything error or anything, just 99